In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check folder size on Google Drive for 2025. This guide will help you manage your storage effectively, ensuring you know exactly how much space each of your folders occupies. If you're like many Google Drive users, it's easy to underestimate how much storage your files and folders are using. Knowing the size of your folders is incredibly useful, especially when you need to clear up some space or are working within storage limits. So let's dive right into it. Firstly, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Drive. You can do this by entering drive.google.com into your browser's address bar. Once you've logged into your account, you'll see the main interface, displaying all your files and folders. Familiarizing yourself with this interface is vital as it's your main workspace where you'll manage your folders. The next step is to locate the folder whose size you wish to check. You can do this by either scrolling through your drive or using the search function located at the top of the page. This tool is particularly useful if you have many files and folders, enabling a quick find with just a name or a keyword. Once you have located your desired folder, right-click on it. In the drop-down menu that appears, look for an option that says Get Info or Show Details. This option might vary slightly depending on updates or changes in Google Drive's interface, so don't worry if it looks slightly different. When you click Get Info or Show Details, a pane on the right of your screen will open. This pane will provide you with various details about your folder, including its size. It's important to note that this feature might not be immediately visible or may require some patience if it's calculating the size of extremely large folders. If for some reason you don't see the folder size, a workaround is to use a Google Drive tool like Drive Sizer, which is a third-party tool designed to help with this kind of detail. These tools can offer a more detailed breakdown than Google Drive's